I just want to say that the PSYCH-K classes that I've been doing for 3 days have really dealt with a lot of anxiety that I've had around the chemo radiation that I have taken to defeat cancer. And it has really just brought back, I just feel like a little kid again. I feel so good. My headaches have disappeared. I just have this lightness. I feel like a little child again. I feel like I have energy, and waking up in the morning is exciting and beautiful, and I just can't wait for the day to get started. And I haven't been like that in, 35, 40 years. It's just, I feel amazing. I feel opened up and clear and centered, grounded. I feel like a new person. Thank you.